You'll receive a confirmation text message shortly. Please reply to that text for any further communication.
There is a new rule added. Only the email column is blank, so I'm gonna reply with my email address. This capture email workflow runs. This email column is updated correctly. Hey guys, in my last video, I showed you how to send a text message that triggers a confirmation email. Today we are taking a step further. I'll walk you through how to capture your customers' email addresses through SMS replies and automatically update them in your Google Sheet based on different scenarios. I've also added the download link for the blueprint I'm using in this video, so feel free to grab it and follow along. Just to be clear upfront, this approach is still somewhat experimental, so if you decide to use it in a real environment, you'll definitely need to take a few extra steps to make it more reliable and reduce potential errors. Let's start with the VAPI setup. I created a simplified version of an inbound call agent for cleaning service business. Let's take a look at the prompt. In this prompt, we've got two sub-agents. One is booking agent, the another one is inquiries log agent. If it's for booking, the agent asks address, service type, and preferred day or time. It then uses check availability tool to check availability. If the request time is open, the agent asks customer's full name and the phone number to complete the booking by using book appointment tool. At the end of the flow, the agent tells confirmation text will be sent and asks them to reply to the text for further communication. The inquiries log agent handles estimate requests or questions. If the caller asks for question the AI can't answer based on knowledge base or request an estimate, the agent collects their name, phone number, and service address, and a short description of their request. Just like the booking flow, it also asks the customer to reply to the SMS with their email. The rest of the prompt includes examples, tone styles, and end call guidelines, basically the usual setup for voice AI agent. Now let's move on to the tools we are using. In total, we'll be using 5 tools. Let's go through each one quickly. First, book appointment. Give it a short name and description. Turn on async and strict, and scroll down to parameters. We've got 5 parameters here. Give each a short description and name and mark as required, address, phone number, service type, and the request time. In the server URL, go to 8n and click webhook and copy production URL and paste here and click save. The next one is inquiry logger. Like the other tools, add a short name and description. Turn on async, strict, and add these parameters: name, address, inquiry, and phone number, and check required for all of them. And for the server URL, go back to 8n and click this webhook and copy production URL and paste here and click save. Finally, we have KB search. I created a simple store information file using ChatGPT like this. It's very simple. There isn't much information. To connect it, go to files, upload your text file, and go back to tools, and select the text file you uploaded from the drop-down list, and click save. And also end call tools. Just click create tools and select end call. Give it a short name and description, and that's it. Once that's done, go back to the assistant and open the tools section and select all the tools we've just created: inquiry logger, KB search, check availability, book appointment, and end call tool, and click publish. And that's it for the VAPI setup. Now let's move on to the 8n setup. Now let's take a look at workflow on 8n. For the book appointment tool, we receive parameters such as customer's name, address, phone number, service type, requested time. The AI agent node first checks the availability. If the request time is unavailable, it returns unavailable to VAPI and asks the customer to provide another date and time. If the time is available, it proceeds with the booking and sends a confirmation back to VAPI. After the booking, the following nodes run. Send an SMS to the caller confirming the appointment. insert data into the data table node, recording phone number, name, status, and source, which helps identify which workflow this number came from. This also sets an expiration rule, so if the text isn't replied to within 6 hours, it expires automatically. These details are used later to look up whether text was sent when the caller replies with their email. At the same time, the appointment details, except email, are recorded in the Google Sheet and the notification is sent to your staff. To set this up, connect your Google account to these Google Calendar tools. Next, create a data table with the same column headers shown here: phone number, name, status, source, expires at. Once it's created, go back to the canvas and select the table you created from the dropdown. In the value and the phone number, add this expression. This converts phone numbers into the E.164 format. Just copy and paste this expression into ChatGPT and ask it to update the country code for your region. For other fields, map the name parameter from the webhook to the name field. Type awaiting email in the status field. That's the only thing you need to do in this node. For the Google Sheet, I've included a link in the description so you can copy and use it directly. And then finally, set the to field in the email node to the address where you want to receive notifications. And that's it for the book appointment setup. Next, let's move on to the inquiry logger flow. Your webhook node receives parameters name, address, inquiry, and phone number. Then it connects to a Google Sheet node to log that information in the designated sheet, and I selected the sheet named Inquiry. This sheet, map the full name, address, phone number, inquiry details. For the phone number, I use an expression to convert it to the E.164 format. Next, there is an AI agent node that's prompted to generate an HTML email, which gets sent to your staff. This is the email the node sends. After the Google Sheet node, the flow also branches out to a send an SMS node. The message asks the customer to reply with their email address. Finally, we have data table node that logs the history of the sent SMS. Just like in the book appointment flow, the only difference is that this time, the source field is set to inquiry logger, so you can distinguish it from the book appointment flow. This is the workflow for capturing emails and updating email column in Google Sheets, which is the main topic of this video. We start with Trio Trigger node to receive replies from callers. What you need to do here is click webhook URLs and go to production URL and click this URL. Then go to your Trio dashboard, navigate to phone numbers, manage, active numbers, scroll down to messaging configuration, and under message comes in, paste your production URL here, then click save. Next, the edit fields node extract only the email address from the caller's text message, just in case they send extra text along with it. The if node checks whether the message contains a valid email or not. If it doesn't, it sends a fallback SMS that says it looks like the email isn't valid. If it's valid, the flow moves to the data table node to check the context, confirming whether the phone number that sent the message is currently in the waiting email state and still within its expiry window. The next if node checks again if it's not the awaiting email state. A fallback message sent because we can't be sure what the email is for. If it's valid, we have another if node that branches into two paths: update job sheet and update inquiry sheet. In the update job sheet node, select the job sheet. This updates the email column for the record that came from the book appointment flow. So this node updates this column. In the update inquiry sheet node, select inquiry sheet instead. After that, The flow goes to the data table node to update the state from a waiting email to closed, since we've already collected email address. Finally, it sends a thank you message to the caller. And that's it for the setup. Now let's test it out. I'm gonna start with the book appointment flow.
Hi there, this is Excellent Cleaning. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'd like to request home cleaning.
Absolutely, I can help you with that. Can I please have your address for the home cleaning service?
Sure, my address is 512 Oak Street.
Thank you for that. What day and time would you prefer for your home cleaning appointment? We're available Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Do you have availability on this Friday afternoon, like 1 p.m.?
We do have availability this Friday at 1 p.m. for your home cleaning at 512 Oak Street. May I get your full name and phone number to complete your booking?
Sure, my name is Mike Taylor, and my phone number is...
Thank you, Mike. Your home cleaning is booked for Friday, October 17th at 1 p.m. at 512 Oak Street. You'll receive a confirmation text message shortly. Please reply to that text for any further communication.
So I received text message, and this is the data table. There is a new row added. Let's take a look at the Google Sheet. So only the email column is blank, so I'm gonna reply with my email address. This capture email workflow runs, and this email column is updated correctly. Next, I'm gonna try the inquiry flow.
Hi there, this is Excellent Cleaning. How can I help you today?
Hey, can I get an estimate before booking? I'd like to get my carpet in the living room cleaned.
Absolutely, I can help with that. May I have your name and phone number, please?
Sure, my name is Mike Taylor, and my phone number is...
Thank you, Mike. Could you please provide the address where you'd like the carpet cleaning done?
Sure, 123 Maple Street.
Great, thanks for that. Is this for a house, apartment, or another type of property?
It's for a house.
Thanks, Mike. I've sent your estimate request to our team. You'll receive a text message soon. Please reply to that text with your email address so we can send you the quote. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
I'm good, thank you. So let's look at the data table again. So new role is added, inquiry logger. And let's take a look at the Google Sheet again. Go to inquiry, and email is blank. So I'm going to reply with my email address. Now this cell is updated, and that's gonna do it for today. With this setup, we can collect customer emails and update them in Google Sheets automatically without having to ask for emails over the phone. If you're a business owner curious about using Voice AI solution, I offer a 30-minute free consultation call to help you explore what's possible for your business. It's not a sales pitch. It's more of like a casual chat where we can talk about your situation and see how I can help. So feel free to check out the link in the description. I'd love to connect with you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.